What's good, y'all, and welcome back to another Heroes Battlegrounds video. And Heroes Battlegrounds just updated, and we have to go through that. They brought two new hero they brought a new move, a finisher for 45%, and a move for Shigaraki, and a kill emote. So let's get right into that. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna first show off the kill emote before we get into the good stuff, okay? So the kill emote is this. Knock it down and then press 4. Oh my god! Yo, we got Gojo! That's... What else? Not Gojo. We got Jojo? Yo, dude, that's fire. We got Jojo. Okay, so we got our man right here. 45% finisher. Oh, nah. Okay, so that's one aerial black flash. Okay, so now we got lightning strike. Oh my god. Oh, that's that chain move. That's that chain move. That's super fire. That's super fire though. Come on. That's actually he. Okay, so now we got, let's do the finisher for this. Yup. Oh, there it is. Ah, and then you smack him down into the ground. Let's do it one more time because I didn't really get a good look at that. One more time. Look at that. Yep. That's super fire. That is super fire. And you can tell right now that they have cooked him. Now there's only one more move left, and then mastery is complete, and then Shigaraki's gonna be that guy again. It's void steps. So oh, okay. So if you hit him, wait, hit him once, then you hit him again. 1, 2, 3. So you pretty much just gotta time it right. Oh, so you gotta time it. You gotta like actually time it properly. Okay. So like to chain, so you gotta like time it properly to chain it. That's actually dope. Now we're gonna use obviously Deku's moveset because you know I'm dressed up like Deku right now. So let's go do that real quick. I like the new moves. They're really fire. Out. Let's go. No, it's not. Oh my god. Oh my. 1, 2, 3, come on. Oh my goodness. Ow. Thank you. Yep. Come on. Why are you're hitting the wrong person? Wrong person. That goes through blocks? Okay. Stop running. Yeah! Ooh, that's me. That's on me. Yeah, see? This is what I'm talking about. You want to fight me. This is what you want to do. No, you want to fight me. This is what you want to do. Oh no. No. Let's do this. Yeah. Up there. Whee. 1, 2, 3. No. Who is this guy? Bro. Thank you. I'm gonna get my kill. Let me get my kill. Thank you. Thank you. Let me get my kill. Thank you very much. Bro, try to... Oh. Oh, my fault. My fault. My fault. I didn't know it was your game. No, get me off that. Oh. Let's go. Oh, why didn't you dash on me? Come on, why did you dash on me? Yeah. Okay. Ow. Come on. No. My fault, bro. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh my God, he... Yeah, okay. Nope. 1, 2. Come on. Oh, I messed up. No. Let's go. Yeah. No. Let's go. No! I punched him to death. Oh, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. I just need to hit somebody. I gotta hit somebody with this. I gotta hit somebody with this. Come here, boy. Yep, yep. Let's go. Send him flying. Where'd he go? Come on, don't run. Don't run. Yes. Let me hit you with this. Yo. Yeah, boy. This guy just got hit with that new finisher. That's dope. Yo, bro, it was just for a clip, dude. It was solely for a clip. One, two, three. It was for a freaking clip. Nope. Oh, I missed it. I missed the grab. Ow. Bro wanted to fight me. All right. Okay. No. That hurt. Come on. 1, 2, 3. No. 4. 4. Yeah. It didn't work. No. I messed up. Oh, man. I panic struggled there. Oh, bro. Okay. My fault. I didn't know this was your game. Okay, come on. Where are you going? I dodged that. Come on. Nope, don't run away. Okay. You got that. I'm gonna try to hit you with this finisher again. You laggy a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Down. 1. Okay. 1, 2. Let's go. Come on. 4. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. You're going to finish this clash. Nope. Goodbye. Look at that, dude. Yo. You're not winning this. I'm right here. Okay. No way, dude. What? Come on. I was literally piecing this guy up. Where did it all go? 1, 2, 3. Grab me him. Yep. Okay. Okay. Is he gonna dash on me this time? Yep. Yep. Okay. No. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. He almost killed me. Oh, that's lag. There we go. There we go. I'm not losing. I'm not losing the lag. I'm not losing the lag, baby. Ooh, this guy's on my tail and he ain't gonna win. Hey, yo, bro. No. What are you? What are you doing? Nah, you are not me, bro. You are not me, bro. Hell nah. You are not me, bro. Okay. Definitely not me. Definitely not me. Bro's an imposter, bro. No. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, I missed it. Nope. Nope. Got him. Got him. Oh, that didn't kill him? Come on, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? There we go. I don't know what you were trying to do, my guy, but I'm gonna have to teach you what happens to people who ruin or try to team on me, bro. No. You should have ran before you had the chance. You should have ran before you had the chance, my guy. You should have ran when you had the chance, my guy. I missed that? It doesn't even matter. I gotta finish on this move. Yo, hold this real quick. What are you doing? Sit your butt down. Oh, you went right back inside. Okay. 1, 2. Come here. Yep. Ow. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. I got it. Get out of here, you fake imposter. Who is this guy? He doesn't know who I am? That's me, Deku. Boy, remember my name. Big Appa. Ah. Anyways, guys, if you guys did enjoy this Heroes Battlegrounds video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace easy.